These were 2 great days. It was great to meet all these new researchers from the University of Münster, professors that were kind of very interested into resilience. Having the opportunity to present resilience is always a great moment for us, for me, and especially the interview moment where we got 1 hour to talk with a researcher about what we can do for them. That was really great.
Is there a special experience you want to share with us?
This morning during the presentation, especially the question and answer session afterwards, I kind of had the image of resilience being like soil, you know. The soil is like a stomach. It digests everything you put into it and transform it to make it available to all the ecosystem, the biological ecosystem that are in the surrounding. And I thought this was quite similar to resilience because we use the resources that are coming from different universities, different partners, different research, and we digest it into resilience so that they are more available to the research, they are more accessible because we will enrich them with metadata, they will be findable, and then we will have training and webinar that will be made available for the researcher. Because when we talk with the researcher, we notice that accessibility to tools, information, data, and expertise is one of the big barriers to lead their research.
And can you also give a practical example of how this, what you now describe, could function here in the University of Münster?
Yes, absolutely. This morning with one of the researchers, he presented me a case where he mentioned that the tool was too complex for him. He said the tool is good for computer engineers. And I thought, what a pity. A very powerful tool for researchers that could not be used by them. And that's exactly what one of the objectives of resilience is, to take these golden nuggets that are hidden everywhere in universities and make them available. By what? By having a reference to them, make them findable, having documentation about them, multilingual training, and all these kind of things, so that effectively the researcher can be confident in using these high-tech innovative tools.
That sounds fascinating, Rudy. Thank you very much for this interview.
Thank you, Carla.